Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing a delicious flan, and the ingredients are 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 10 eggs, 2 cans of condensed milk, and 2 cans of evaporated milk, along with 1 cup of sugar. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our cup of sugar . So you want to have your sugar all the way melted. And be careful not to burn it. Next, we're going to move it into a mold. And we're going to spread it out evenly. This is how it looks after spreading it out evenly all throughout the pan. While trying to record, my sugar got hard, so I had to put it back in the heat. And this is the end result. We're gonna let this sit and make it harden. And then we're gonna come back with the next step. We're gonna add all of our ingredients in a blender. And we're gonna blend. After your sugar has hardened, it should look a little bit like this, to where it's a little bit cracked all over the place. When it's like this, we're gonna go ahead and add our mixture. And we're gonna cover it with foil. And put it into a water bath. In a water bath, we're gonna cover it up with the lid and don't open it until it's fully cooked for about 45 minutes on medium to high heat. Okay, so it was cooking for about 45 minutes. I checked it and it was still watery, it was still liquidy with the toothpick. So I go ahead and put it in for another 15 more minutes, and now we're gonna go ahead and check it right now, see if it worked. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a toothpick. It comes out clean. So it's ready. We're gonna let this proof, let it cool down, and then we're gonna transfer it to a plate. Okay, after your flan has been sitting on the fridge for about an hour to an hour and a half, we're gonna put it onto a plate. This is gonna be the plate that we're gonna be using. You wanna move your flan around. We're gonna put the plate on top and on the bottom. Our hand on top. And then we're gonna do a quick flip. This is the finished result.